So, hello all, greetings for the day. I am Vinay Bajaj, a Plus Educator at Unacademy for CBSE Class 9 and 10. I do teach CBSE Class 8 Mathematics. I do teach CBSE Class 9 and 10 Maths, Bio and Physics. And I teach Economics for Class 11 and 12. It's so good to be back again on the YouTube channel for Class 9 and 10. We are premiering this video since it's the Diwali week, and I hope the audio and the video is absolutely clear to each and every one of you all. So let's not keep it suspense. As you all have already read the description below, it says we are going to do the topic linear equations. Just before starting, I would like to introduce myself to you all. I am Vinay Bajaj, a Plus Educator at Unacademy for Class 9 and 10. I have a 6-year plus teaching experience. This is my 7th year and I'm going to complete it soon. And let me tell you, it has been an amazing journey throughout so far. And here on Unacademy, it's been beautiful and it's been amazing. It's been challenging, but the work is fun here and the learners are, I don't have any words for my army. They are doing absolutely amazingly well. All right. So I do teach mathematics, physics, biology, and economics. All right. So I hope everyone is very clear, and I am very much audible. I'm just making a small change out here. And am I able to do that? No, the light is not working. I'm just checking out the light if it becomes much better so that we get a good one. No. All right, no, it's not working out good. All right, so I hope the audio video is absolutely clear and you are getting enough of light. All right, yes, I'll just check from my end as well. The light is very much enough. Yes, so I'm clearly visible. All right, चलो तो फिर शुरू करते guys. Any difficulty? No, you know me, how do I look? And चलो शुरू करते हैं आज का ये session. So we are going to do linear equations today for class 9. We will be revising. Previously we did polynomials and it turned out to be an amazing, very good revision. For all those students who watched it live, they cleared their doubts also along with. And for all those who have seen it streamed, not a problem. You can definitely join us on Telegram or you can message me on the Unacademy portal. The link is there in the description, guys. Feel free. And whenever you wish to subscribe, what you have to do is just use my referral code, which is at the bottom of the screen just below me where I'm sitting. See on the right bottom of your screen, you will see a referral code which is helpful for you all. फायदे की बात है यार, 10% मिलता है, ले लेना, यूज कर लेना याद से, और कोई कोड नहीं यूज करना है, आपने यही करना है. ठीक है, चलो. सो विनय सर लाइव यूज कर लेना 10% डिस्काउंट के लिए. ऑल राइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट today's beautiful session, amazing and an easy chapter, linear equations. When we talk about linear equations, so the general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of the equation. All right, now there's nothing much to understand. You will have an x variable, you will have a y variable. ठीक है, you can calculate it only graphically. For class 9, graphical presentation is only the best way for you all to solve any kind of sum. पेपर में ग्राफ का एक सम आ सकता है, बाकी रिमेनिंग सम्स विल बी finding out the value of alpha, beta, or they'll give you lambda, or they'll give you a, b, k, anything. ठीक है, so चलो बस ये जनरल फॉर्म ध्यान रखना और शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन. So this is your first question. This whole session, this whole 1 hour session will actually be amazing. Why? The reason I'm telling you this happens, this will be very helpful for you all, as in this 1 hour we'll cover maximum type of problems with respect to surface areas. Linear equations. All right, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation 2x minus y is equal to 6. I need to add some water. All right, So we are good to go now. Which of the following solutions? Okay, so first, in the first case, we will be taking 2x minus y is equal to 6. The point is 3 comma 0. So we will say 2 multiplied by 3 minus y is equal to 6. So, sorry, y के बदले भी we'll substitute the value. The ordinate is 0. So we'll get 6 minus 0 is equal to 0. Sorry, 6. So 6 is equal to 6. So we can say that 3 comma 0 is actually a point. Alright, let's move on to the next one, the second one. So again we'll write the equation 2x minus y is equal to 6. So we'll have 0 comma 6 as the points, as the coordinates, and then substitute. So 2 comma x. So we have 2 comma x, so 0 minus bracket open 6 is equal to 6. So we'll get 0 minus 6 is equal to 6. So minus 6 is not equal to 6. So we will say that 0 comma minus 6 is not a solution. Similarly, we will do the third one, that is 2x minus y is equal to 6. So we will have 2 comma minus 2. All right. So now substitute the values, guys, quickly, and I am sure that you guys are solving it before I complete it on the screen for you all. So that's a very good moment for me. Plus 2 is equal to 6. So you will get 6 is equal to 6. So the third one is nothing but a factor. So the third one is nothing but a factor. All right. Let's solve the next one, guys. Next two, that is the fourth one. So 2x minus y is equal to 6. What we'll get here? The coordinates are, the point coordinates are minus root 3 and 0. So 2 bracket open root 3. Of course, देखते ही आंसर मालूम पड़ जाता है. This will not be a solution. So 2 root 3 is not equal to 6. So 2 root 3 is not at all possible that it will be a solution. No, it will not be a solution. Is everyone very clear? Very clear? Very clear? Let's do the fifth one quickly now. That is all right. So we have 1 by 2 comma minus 5. What we have to do here is, these are the points. My equation I'll write here. Okay. So we will get 2 bracket open 1 by 2 minus 5 is equal to 6. So you will get 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So 6 is equal to 6. So we will say that this is also a solution of the given equation. I am dead sure that you guys are very much clear with all these questions on your screen. Question number 2 from RD Sharma 7.2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sums. The first 3 are done on this slide and the next 2 are done on this slide. Do not forget again to use my referral code VB19, or you can use Winner Live and get a flat 10% discount. Alright. Chalo बढ़िया है. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move on to the next sum as we are done with this. So now you have been given the values of x is equal to minus y. Now guys, मैंने गलती क्या की? Without reading the sum, I started doing the sum. Okay. So first we'll make sure that we'll read the sum carefully and then we will start doing it. Okay. So chalo, x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2 is a solution of the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to k. Find the value of k. So x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2. The equation given is 3x plus 4y is equal to k. So therefore 3 bracket open minus 1 plus 4 bracket open 2 is equal to k. So you will get minus 3 plus 8 is equal to k. Therefore k is equal to 5. So this is how you will get your answer. K is equal to plus 5 because minus 3 plus 8 will always give you plus 5 because sign of the greater number. So this is nothing but your final answer. Is it very clear to each and everyone out here? Very clear. You can also post in your comments, okay, when the video is streamed, if in case you have any doubt on any sum. Now unfortunately I'll be not there with you all in the live chat. YouTube लेते टाइम आदत है ना लाइव चैट देखने की, ठीक है? चलो, let's move forward. Now, we have to find the value of lambda. Again, we'll not start the sum. First, we'll read the statement. Find the value of lambda if x is equal to minus lambda. Now, what is lambda? Lambda is the SI unit of wavelength, sound chapter. And y is equal to 5 by 2. If we have to find the value, okay, when x and y are the solutions, so chalo, let us first write x is equal to minus lambda, y is equal to 5 by 2. So x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. All right, so what we'll have here, what we can get here is x plus 4y minus 7 is equal to 0. x के बदले हम लिख देंगे minus lambda plus 4 into 5 by 2 minus 7 is equal to 0. So just keep on solving it. You will get minus lambda plus, this is 2 and this is 1. So you will get 10 minus 7 is equal to 0. So you will get minus lambda is equal to minus 3. So you will get the final value of lambda is equal to 3. So this will be your final answer, that lambda is equal to 3. I hope each and every one of you all are very, very, very clear till here. And quickly, let's quickly move forward. Again, I'm just watching onto the live chat. Extremely sorry, extremely sorry. Let's move forward. So now, if x is equal to 2 alpha plus 1 and y is equal to alpha minus 1, is a solution of the equation 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Find the value of alpha. तो चलो पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे, x is equal to 2 alpha plus 1, y is equal to alpha minus 1. Very simple. चलो, let's change the color to white. So we have 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. Substitute the values. So we will get 2 bracket open 2 alpha bracket close minus 3 bracket sorry, 2 alpha plus 1 minus 3 bracket open alpha minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. So you will get 4 alpha plus 1 minus 3 alpha minus 3 alpha plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 0. So you will get alpha 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9 plus 9 is equal to 0. So now 4 plus you will get 4 plus, sorry, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus, क्या बनेगा रे मैं गुंडा. Extremely sorry, silly mistake done. 2 and you will get your 10. So alpha is equal to minus 10. This will be your final answer, that alpha is equal to minus 10. I hope each and every one of you is very clear till here. Any doubts, then please leave them in the comment section. I will be clearing them, each one of your doubt. And you can as well message me on Telegram in the description. There is the link for, not for Telegram, but yes, there is a link for your Unacademy profile. So my Unacademy profile link is there. You can go there, click on it, message me directly there if you have any doubt. Let's move on to the next question for the day. If x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 6 is a solution of the equation 8x minus ay plus a square is equal to 0. Find the value of a. All right. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 6. So now the given equation is 8x minus ay plus a square is equal to 0. We have to find the value of a. चलो तो फिर किस बात की देरी है, लेट्स सब्स्टिट्यूट comparatively. It's very simple out here for you all. So practicing so many sums will help you to build your speed and to get a knowledge of how the questions can be asked. So a square, again a square will come, bracket में नहीं डालोगे तो भी चलेगा. I'll just erase the bracket so that you don't have any confusion. So 8 minus 6a plus a square is equal to 0. So I will write it in the form of a quadratic polynomial is equal to 0. So we will get a square minus 4a, split the middle term, minus 2a plus 8, because minus 4 into minus 2 will give you 8 plus 8, so you get a common, so you get a minus 4, and you get minus a common, so you minus 2 common, sorry. So you will get minus 2 common. तो क्या बच जाएगा पब्लिक, a minus 4 is equal to 0. Solving this for you all here, you will get a minus 4, a minus 2 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 4 or a is equal to 2. So this will be your final answer. A is equal to 4 or A is equal to 2. Is it very clear to all my dear public? Is it very, 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 very clear to each and every one of you all? There's some problem with my light. I guess it's not working properly. I'll have to shut it down. ठीक है? So मैं ये निकाल के यहाँ लगा ही लेता हूँ. The light is not working properly. All right, just we'll have to check. Is the light? Hear me and see me very clearly? You guys able to hear me and see me very, very, very properly? Okay, I guess there's a slight error with the display. What will I have video? What I will have to do is just delete this one, remove this one, and I'll have to add a new one. So extremely sorry for the inconvenience. All right, so you guys are very much able to see me. Configure video saturation. चलो ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. What we'll do is defaults तो HP True Vision पे चले जाएगा. Okay. चलो ठीक है, we'll just continue with the session. What I'll do is the green scene, let it be behind. Not a problem at all. ठीक है, चलो. So I hope you guys can see me and hear me very clearly now. Extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Let's continue with the session. Okay. Next sum. If write two solutions of the form x is equal to 0, y is equal to a, and x is equal to b, and y is equal to 0. So first we'll do the first part of the sum. सबसे पहले तो हम स्मार्ट बच्चों के जैसे इक्वेशन लिख देंगे. So we get 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. Okay, now we have the value here of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to a. So let's substitute the values. You get 5 into 0 minus 2a is equal to 10. So you will get minus 2a is equal to 10. So you will get a is equal to minus 5. So you have successfully derived the value of a is equal to minus 5. But we know that y is equal to a. So y का value हमको convincingly मिल गया is equal to minus 5. Doing the second part of the sum, 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. So you will get your x is equal to b, y is equal to 0. So let's substitute. You get 5b minus 2 bracket open 0 is equal to 10. So you will get 5b is equal to 10 and you will get b is equal to 2. But we know that x is equal to b, so x is equal to 2. So did every one of you all understand? Is it very, 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 very clear to each and every one? Yes, just let me have a check on the camera once again. It's yes. Am I live? Yes, you guys can see me very clearly. Okay. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं public. Very simple sums. I know that you guys are very well aware about how to do the sums. चलो. Now write two solutions in the form. Again, now the equation is minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. So here you have to substitute x is equal to 0 and y is equal to a. So minus 4 into 0 plus 3a is equal to 12. So you will get 3a is equal to 12. So you will get a is equal to 4. But we know that y is equal to a, therefore y is equal to 4. All right, everyone clear, everyone clear, everyone clear. Let's move forward to the next part of the sum. That is minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. You have x is equal to b this time and y is equal to 0 this time. So minus 4 comma b, sorry, so minus 4b plus 3 bracket open 0 is equal to 12. So we will get minus 4b is equal to 12. Therefore, b is equal to minus 3. But we know that x is equal to b. So x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, so I hope each and every one of you all are very clear about this sum. Yes, yes, yes. Come on guys, everyone, yes, clear to each and every one. Perfectly fine, absolutely good. This sum is turning out to be amazing. Just a check on the camera whether it's working fine or not. It has given me dhoka in the last two ones, checking my hair out. All right, chalo, आगे बढ़ते हैं public. I know you guys are enjoying it. All right, let's move forward. The next question. Now, write two solutions. Again, one of the similar kind sums. X is equal to 0, y is equal to a. The equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 24. Changing the color of my ink to blue. So we will get 2 bracket open 0 plus 3a is equal to 24. So 3a is equal to 24. So a is equal to 8. But we know that y is equal to a. Therefore y is equal to 8. So this was the first part of your sum, guys. Very clear enough to each and every one. Let's move forward to the next part of the sum. That is when x is equal to b and y is equal to 0. So the equation given to you is 2x plus 3y is equal to 24. So what you will get, guys? 2 bracket open b plus 3 bracket open 0 is equal to 24. So you will get 2b is equal to 24. Therefore, b is equal to 12. Take it, b is equal to 12. Therefore, we know that x is equal to b. So x is equal to 12. I am sure that you guys are very, very, very clear with these type of sums. Each and every one out here is very, 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 very clear with it. All right, let's move forward to the MCQ part. Let's quickly move towards it. So now, the equation given to you is y is equal to ax plus 3. I give you a minute and I want all the answers in the live chat and the comment section. Till then, just I'll have a sip of water. If 4 comma 19 is a solution of the equation y is equal to ax plus 3, then a is equal to what? then A is equal to what? So I am sure that you guys are done with it. Let's start with the solutions. Y is equal to ax plus 3. You have the value of x is equal to 4, y is equal to 19. So 19 is equal to 4a plus 3. So 19 minus 3 is equal to 4a. So 16 is equal to 4a. Therefore, a is equal to 4. That means B is the correct answer. I hope everyone is clear with the solution. Let's move on to the next one now. X is equal to a, y is equal to 4. The equation is 3x plus y is equal to 10. So I give you a minute again. Solve this. Tell me the answers in the live chat and then we move forward. All right. चलो आपका आंसर तो हो गया होगा. So 3 bracket open, a plus 4 is equal to 10. So 3a is equal to 6. Therefore a is equal to 2. So C will be your correct answer. I hope you all are very much clear with it till here. Let's move forward to the next one. The graph of the linear equation 2x minus y is equal to 4. So I will be doing it with the option A as well here. I'll be doing it with the option B as well here, so that you get a clear idea of how this sum is to be done. Option C will be done also with you all, and option D मैं करूँगा यहाँ आसमान में 0,4. Let's just have a look at the camera. Till that time you guys can do it. Okay. चलो बढ़िया है फिर. करो करो करो. I'm giving you time. I've given you time. The stopwatch is on. I've given you time. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Do it, my VB Army OP public. चलो हो गया रहेगा. शुरू करते हैं. All right. 2x minus 4 is equal to 4. 2 bracket open 2 minus 0 is equal to 4. So we'll get 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 4. अरे पहला ही आंसर मिल गया पब्लिक. चलो बाकी भी कर देते हैं. So 2 bracket open minus 2 minus 0 is equal to 4. So you will get minus 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So minus 4 is not equal to 4. So ये नहीं हो सकता. Let's try the other one. So 2x, sorry. We were not substituting the values. Oh भाई मेरे. Two bracket open 0 minus 4 is equal to 4. So you will get 4 is equal to 4 is equal to 4 is equal to 4. All right. Now D. So again let's substitute. So ये तो हो सकता है, मतलब ये और ये अभी भी दौड़ में है. 2 bracket open 0 minus 4 is equal to 4. Minus 4 is not equal to 4. तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता है. Now the point arises, guys, that where do we cut? The equation cuts at what point, my OP public? X axis. तो जब x axis पे कट करेगी तो y coordinate 0 होगा. That means my final answer is 2, 0. I hope everyone is clear. Chalo, solve karo. Giving you 1 minute again. The stopwatch is on for you all. So I hope you guys are done with it. So x is equal to 2k minus 1, y is equal to k. The equation is 10x minus 9y is equal to 12. So you will get 10 bracket open 2k minus 1 minus 9 bracket open k is equal to 12. Solving this particular thing here, we get 20k minus 10 minus 9k is equal to 12. So you will get 11k minus 10 is equal to 12. So you will get 11k is equal to 12 plus 10, which is nothing but 11k is equal to 22. Therefore, you will get k is equal to 2. This will be your final answer, guys. Is it very clear to each and every one? Very clear to each and every one. Yes, absolutely, perfectly fine. Let's move forward. So that was it, guys. I am sure that linear equations आपके लिए इतना more than enough है करने के लिए, revise करने के लिए, because here you get to know how to calculate x and y. So these are the batches which are going on the portal with respect to me. और एक और खुशखबरी है आप लोगों के लिए, that is अब ये रैंक 5 हो चुका है. So धीरे धीरे रैंक 14 से I had started this month and now I'm on rank 6. Sorry, rank 5. I forgot to change this. And the dedications have come up to 585. The watch time is now 377 in the last 30 days. 77k and 2 million watch minutes. Gang में तो आ ही गए हम. Now, the ACE CBSE boards 2021 maths and science batch is going on. Then again master batch for revision and PYQs and mock test practice is going on with your favorite team of educators. Then this is the class 8 batch, Eureka batch, which is going on. And then you have the prime batch going on for full syllabus. Okay, for class 10, that was. And this course is again for class 10 on reproduction, environment and human eye. What you have to do is subscribe using my code Vinay Sir Live. You just have to use this code and take a 10% discount. Okay, chalo. ये भी batches चल रहे हैं. This is for class 9, the prime batch. Let's Crack NCERT just has finished in the last month. That was again for class 9, 3.5 months batch. And precision batch, which is going on with Hardik Kheradia sir for class 9 again. And then we had AHES half yearly for 10th. That's done and amazing responses have been received. And the last one we have detailed course on circles, where this is again for class 9. Again, what you have to do is subscribe using my referral code. It's Vinay Sir Live. Use this and you will get a 10% straight discount. And if you still not follow me at Unacademy, there is a link in the profile. What you have to do is click on that follow button. You click on that link, you will be directed to my page directly on Unacademy and you can follow me and stay tuned for all my upcoming classes. Also, you can get a view of all my free classes taken on the portal, which the portal has allowed access to each and every learner, whether a +1 or a non-plus. Talking about ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का कोर्स खत्म हो चुका है. रैपिड रिवीजन का लास्ट सेशन कल है. Course on mathematics preparation for 2021, the prime batch is going on, and detailed course on life processes is already over for class 9, and we are now doing why do we fall ill. For class 10 we are doing reproduction. Okay, moving forward, the masters batch, as I told you, this batch is amazing for all the class 10 learners. From next month we are starting this for class 9 as well. So if you have not subscribed yet, you can use my referral code Vinay Sir Live. यही कोड यूज़ करना है गाइस, टैटू करवा लो, ठीक है. और अगर मुझे फॉलो नहीं भी करते हो तो फॉलो कर दो अनअकैडमी पे, ठीक है. चलो, लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. Talking about the plus subscriptions, all the options are there on your screens. What you have to do is again Vinay Sir Live मेरा कोड है, आपने यही यूज़ करना है for a 10% discount. So say for example if you are subscribing for a 6 months plan, ठीक है. Say for example it is 10,000. आप मेरा रेफरल कोड यूज़ करोगे, आपको कितना ऑफ हो जाएगा पब्लिक? आपको 1000 ऑफ हो जाएगा, ठीक है. 10% ऑफ हो गया। कौन सा कोड यूज करने से? ये कोड अप्लाई करने से। ओके, एंड देन द होल डिवाइड बाय, सॉरी, द होल माइनस कर दो तो 9000 में आपको 6 मंथ्स का प्लान पड़ जाएगा। नाउ द बेस्ट पार्ट इज द क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर एक्सेस इज ओनली फ्री टिल 22nd. This creative corner access is only free till 22nd November. After that you will not get an access to it. ठीक है, then you will have to subscribe it separately. 22nd तक ही आप लोगों के लिए क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर है guys. So make sure that you don't lose the opportunity. If you are subscribing, subscribe before 22nd, or else you will lose on to creative corner. Those who all don't know what creative corner is, creative corner is an amazing part of Unacademy where a separate course is designed with respect to your extracurricular activities: singing, dancing, Vedic maths, drawing, then you have robotics, mnemonics, then you have debating, poetry, storytelling, and many more courses are going on there which are very much beneficial. Unacademy has also introduced Iconic subscription where you can actually subscribe using our referral code and you get all the benefits of Plus. Along with the benefits of Plus, guys, that's not only you will get the benefits of Plus. As you can see, India's best educators are teaching for Plus students and Iconic students. There are interactive live sessions going on for both of them. Live tests and quizzes are common. Creative Corner is open till 22nd of November only, guys. So please do not forget to subscribe before 22nd of November. सिर्फ आपने मेरा कोड याद करना है, विनय सर लाइव। ये 10% आपको आइकॉनिक सब्सक्रिप्शन पे भी देगा। ठीक है, the second thing which I wanted to talk, and the most important thing about an Iconic subscription, is you get a personal mentor, you get a live doubt solution feature. Okay, so you get these all features very easily. That is, ये सारी चीजें तो मिल ही जाती है, प्लस एक पर्सनल मेंटर मिलता है, लाइव डाउट सोल्यूशन मिलता है डिस्कॉर्ड पोर्टल पे, और पेरेंट कनेक्ट एंड स्टडी प्लानर भी मिलता है। ये ज्वाइन नाउ सिर्फ लिखने के लिए नहीं है गाइस, you have to use my referral code for a 10% discount. Okay, moving forward, the prices of Iconic subscriptions, again I will not forget to write my referral code so that आपका ही भला है, इसमें आपको 10% off मिल जाएगा। Say again for example, if you are going for a, चलो 12-month plan ले लो, so it's 28,000। 28,000 अगर आप लेते हो, इसमें मेरा रेफरल कोड यूज कर लेना तो आपने 2800 लेस हो जाएगा, सो आपको मिल जाएगा ये 25,200 में। नाउ दिस 25,200 फॉर 12 months is very reasonable guys. You just end up paying 2,100 approximately to us, and which is very convenient, and for all subjects, along with personal doubt solving sessions and a parent connect and a weekly report along with study planner made for you all on Unacademy. So guys, that was it for the day. This is the Creative Corner where you have Vedic maths, as I told you, poetry, doodling, storytelling, public speaking, robotics, mnemonics, debating, magic tricks, and origami. So get an access 22nd तक ये free है guys. 22nd of November 2020 तक ये free मिलेगा guys आपको, उसके बाद इसके charges हो जाएंगे। So आप subscribe करना मेरा कोड यूज करके उससे पहले ही, ताकि आपको 10% भी मिल जाए और आपको क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर का एक्सेस भी मिल जाए आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन के दौरान। दिस इज द स्केड्यूल फॉर योर क्रिएटिव कॉर्नर्स, एंड लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड। So guys, that was it. These are the ongoing batches. Prime batches are going on, precision batches are going on, Let's Crack NCERT is going on. All classes are conducted in Hindi and English as well. Class notes will be available soon after every session. Doubt solving features, daily practice, daily free test is already going on. And then what do you have guys? You have upcoming batches, the challenger batch, you have the experts batch, and you have the target batch. All right, so this is it for the day guys. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do comment if you need any such videos on any chapters in the comment section. Do leave a feedback, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to Unacademy's channel, click the bell icon. If you don't follow me on Unacademy, definitely do follow me on Unacademy. The link is there in the description. Till then, stay safe. Bye guys. God bless you all. Lots of love. Wish you all a very happy Dhanteras, and may God bless you with lots and lots of love, luck, success, and only when you do hard work, because that's very important. Bye guys. Take care. God bless you all. This is your favorite educator signing off.